Which beach wagon actually works on sand without getting stuck? Simple question, but the answer isn't so obvious. Most look the same online, but real performance tells a totally different story. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 that actually deliver.
Product number 1. Blamaba Foldable Wagon. The Blamaba Collapsible Wagon, a solid mid-range option at $41.99 that's been flying off shelves with over 10,000 sold last month. What caught my eye was its 220-pound load capacity and carbon steel frame, which feels surprisingly sturdy for the price. If you want reliable hauling for beach gear without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 360-degree rotating wheels are a game changer on soft sand. Unlike fixed wheels that dig in, these pivot smoothly, letting you glide over dunes instead of wrestling your cart. The telescoping handle adjusts from short to tall, so whether you're 5'2" or 6'2", you won't be hunching over. Plus, the 300D Oxford fabric is water-resistant and wipes clean, perfect when you're dragging wet towels and coolers back to the car. Now, some people complained about the lack of cup holders or mesh pockets, which honestly surprised me, since most wagons include at least one. It's basic, but not a deal-breaker if you're mainly focused on raw utility. Also, while it folds down to just 7.5 inches thick, the folded handle sticks out a bit, making it slightly awkward to stash in tight car trunks. This is perfect for you if you're a casual beachgoer who packs light to medium, think chairs, a cooler, and a few bags. Skip this one if you need extra storage features or plan on hauling heavy camping setups regularly. For under $45, it delivers solid value where it counts, mobility and durability.
Product number 2, Rosong Utility Wagon. The Rosong Collapsible Wagon at $39.98, one of the most affordable options here, yet it doesn't feel cheap. With 7,000 plus sold recently, it's clearly resonating with budget-conscious buyers. What stands out immediately is its detachable wheels, a feature I haven't seen on many wagons at this price. If you want easy cleanup after sandy trips and don't mind sacrificing a little capacity, this one's a smart pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Those removable wheels mean you can hose off sand and salt water without wrestling the whole cart. That's huge if you live near the coast or store your wagon in a garage. The 12-liter capacity and 12-pound weight make it ideal for quick grocery runs or light beach days. The 600D Oxford fabric is thicker than Blamaba's, offering better tear resistance, and the 1.2mm steel frame holds up well under daily use. Now, some users noted the handle feels a bit flimsy when fully extended, especially if you're pushing a full load uphill. I tested it with 80 pounds of gear, and while it didn't fail, you do feel a slight wobble. Also, the folded size is compact, but the wheels don't lock in place, so they can rattle around during transport. This is perfect for you if you prioritize portability and easy maintenance over max capacity. Skip this one if you're hauling heavy coolers or multiple large items regularly. At under $40, it's a steal for light to moderate use. Product number 3, Hike Moon Extra Long Wagon. If Rosong's smaller size felt limiting, the Hike Moon Extra Long Wagon might be your answer. Priced at $49.99 with 5,000 plus sold, it's 50% longer than standard wagons, a real advantage when you're packing long items like folded tents or surfboards. If you want maximum space without the bulk, this design is seriously clever. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That 34-inch length lets you lay gear flat instead of stacking, which reduces shifting and makes unloading way easier. Despite the size, it's only 14 pounds, lighter than most competitors, thanks to smart engineering. The 360-pound capacity is impressive, and the 600D waterproof fabric zips off for washing, which is a lifesaver after muddy camping trips. Plus, the adjustable handle goes up to 42 inches, so tall users won't strain their backs. Now, some buyers mention the assembly isn't intuitive. You have to insert 4 wheels manually, and if one isn't clicked in fully, the wagon tilts. It took me 2 tries to get it right the first time. Also, while it folds down to just 7.3 inches thick, the handle doesn't tuck completely flush, so it's not the most car-friendly when space is tight. This is perfect for you if you camp often or bring oversized gear to the beach. Skip this one if you want something that sets up in seconds or fits easily in a compact car. For the extra space and smart design, it's worth the slight trade-off in convenience.
Product number 4, InBrave All-Terrain Wagon. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for rough terrain. The InBrave Extra Long Wagon at $49.99 features all-terrain wheels, and I mean real all-terrain. With 3,000 plus sold and a 480-pound capacity, this thing is built like a tank. If you want a wagon that laughs at sand, gravel, and grass, this is it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Those 4.7-inch hubs and 2-inch wide tires are twice as wide as standard wheels, giving you insane stability on soft ground. I tested it on wet sand and it rolled like it was on pavement. The 150-liter capacity and extra long bed are perfect for family beach days with multiple coolers, umbrellas, and kids gear. The removable waterproof cover makes cleanup a breeze, and the alloy steel frame feels indestructible. Now, some users complained it's heavier than expected. 12 pounds sounds light, but when fully loaded, maneuvering takes real effort. Also, the handle only adjusts between 30.5 and 35.2 inches, which might be too low for taller users. And while it folds fast, the folded package is taller than others, so it won't fit under low car seats. This is perfect for you if you frequent rocky beaches, campgrounds, or need to haul serious weight. Skip this one if you're mostly on paved paths or have back issues. The pushing force required is noticeable. For true off-road performance though, it's unmatched.
Product number 5. Amazon Basics Utility Wagon. The Amazon Basics Heavy-Duty Wagon at $59.88, the priciest here, but also the most trusted brand name. With 3,000 plus sold, it's clearly appealing to buyers who want reliability over flashy features. If you want a no-nonsense, durable wagon from a brand that stands behind its products, this is the safe bet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 265-pound capacity and alloy steel frame are built for long-term use. While it lacks some extras like cup holders or removable fabric, it focuses on core strength, and it delivers. The wide wheelbase and low center of gravity prevent tipping, even on slopes. And because it's Amazon Basics, returns and support are hassle-free, which matters if you're buying online without testing first. Now, some users said it's heavier and bulkier than expected. At 27.6 by 40.9 inches unfolded, it's not the most compact, and folding it takes a bit of practice. Also, the wheels aren't as wide as InBrave's, so soft sand requires more effort. But for flat beaches and paved paths, it's rock solid. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable, no-frills wagon and prefer buying from a known brand. Skip this one if you need ultra-lightweight design or plan on rough terrain. For everyday reliability, it's a smart investment.
So which one wins? For budget buyers, Rozong delivers surprising value. Blamoba balances price and performance. Hickenmoon offers smart space-saving design. InBrave dominates on rough terrain. In Amazon Basics is the reliable choice for long-term use. Your pick depends on where and how you use it, but any of these will get you off the beach without the back pain.